Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Express credit card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Express website. From the homepage, scroll all the way down and you will see the Express credit card option. Go ahead and click on Pay/View Account and you will now be taken into the credit card page. Click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your credit card account. Once you are logged in, you will find the option to cancel your credit card from within. If you don't find this option, click on the help button at the top right. And now from this page, you will see the send us a message option. You can click on this button and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card and you will need to wait for a response for a few days. Alternately, you can also use the customer care number and call them and let them know that you wish to cancel your credit card. You will then be guided through the process that you will need to follow in order to cancel it. And there you have it. That is how you can have your credit card cancelled on Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.